So I've been slacking on getting my stuff done outside because it's been freaking cold. Pretty sure I got like a winter rash on my side now, like I got last year. It feels great, but this feels better. I got the hose reels and the tanks finally mounted to the truck. So I do have a chain on there as a safety. I'm actually using the strap to really hold the tanks because it can actually cinch down tight. Hate me. So it feels good to have the hoses on there and the tanks, so now I can really be a welding truck. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like fabrication and cars. Bye.